Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and peripherals so you can find the root cause. First, use a known good charger in the 45W to 65W range. Alternating chargers rules out adapter failure. Once done, unplug every USB device, external monitor, dock, and SD card. These can hang startup. If the battery is removable, take it out, press and hold the power button for about 10-15 seconds to drain residual charge. Then reconnect battery and power and attempt to boot. Now you move to hardware and firmware checks to catch deeper issues. Start with a hard reset. Hold power 15 seconds, release, then press once to try booting. This clears stuck power states. If it still fails, open the bottom cover and reset RAM and storage. Poor contacts are common failure points. Make sure connectors are clean and screws are snug. Then try entering BIOS or UEFI, press F2, F12, or delete during startup to confirm the system detects RAM and drives and that boot order is correct. Wrap up with software recovery and contingency plans. Create a Windows recovery USB on another PC and boot from it. Run startup repair, use system restore, and try safe mode options. These fix corrupted boot files. If that fails, remove the drive, backup files via an external enclosure, and perform a clean OS reinstall. If the laptop still won't power, try a different compatible charger or external monitor to rule out display failure. If no progress, arrange professional service or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.